Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel on the beauty fashion. So friends, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. Friends, today I am showing our all hit and trendy gorgeous slippers, shoes, pumps and handbags, clutches ideas. So I must suggest you watch this video till the end. You will find an all trendy ideas in our videos. I will try my best to show all new ideas, so viewers, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video or any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So thanks for watching viewers from my channel. Can I help you? You can get ideas. Take care of yourselves. See you soon with new collection, new ideas. We'll be right back. Bye-bye.